Hey there, health enthusiasts. In a world where we're constantly seeking the key to a healthier lifestyle, one superfood has been making waves: Greek yogurt. But hold on, I'm Health Bravo, and today we're diving into the health benefits of Greek yogurt that you absolutely need to know. From supporting digestion to boosting immunity, Greek yogurt is more than just a delicious treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your well-being. Stick around, because today, we're about to unveil the incredible health benefits that come with incorporating Greek yogurt into your lifestyle. So grab a spoon, sit back, and let's explore the 18 health benefits of Greek yogurt that you need to know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because trust me, you won't want to miss out on these yogurt revelations. Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to assure you that this video provides helpful information about your health, but it is not a replacement for seeing a doctor. If you have any medical concerns, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Let's start with number 1. Greek yogurt takes the spotlight in supporting muscle growth and repair. Picture this: your muscles enjoying the VIP treatment post a strenuous workout. Thanks to Greek yogurt's remarkable protein profile, it doesn't just aid recovery, it propels your muscles into a state of strength for your next fitness challenge. Consider it the superhero your muscles deserve, ensuring they bounce back and thrive after every workout session. Get ready for a muscle revitalizing experience. Stepping into the ring at number 2, Greek yogurt emerges as a game changer for weight management enthusiasts. The secret sauce? Its winning combination of high protein and low calorie content forms a satiety powerhouse, putting a solid barrier against those pesky cravings. Bid farewell to unhealthy snacks as Greek yogurt takes the stage, offering a delicious and satisfying way to stay on track with your weight loss journey. Rolling into number 3, Greek yogurt takes center stage in the realm of bone health. Imagine it as the superhero delivering a healthy dose of calcium, the essential nutrient for strong bones. By incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet, you're saying yes to a powerhouse of bone-boosting benefits, effectively supporting resilience and keeping osteoporosis at bay. It's time to prioritize your bone health, and Greek yogurt is here to lead the way. Entering the realm of natural energy at number 4, Greek yogurt becomes your go-to source for revitalization. Say goodbye to energy drinks, and hello to the natural goodness of Greek yogurt. Bursting with nutrients, it takes on the role of your energy charger, providing a delicious and wholesome fuel-up for every adventure the day holds. It's time to let Greek yogurt be your energizing companion, ensuring you tackle each day with vitality and gusto. Sliding into number 5, let's talk about the nutrient-packed goodness of Greek yogurt. Your body's wish list gets a substantial checkmark as Greek yogurt delivers a range of essential vitamins and minerals. Picture this: vitamin B12, phosphorus, and potassium coming together in a delicious swirl. This nutrient-rich ensemble not only satisfies your taste buds, but also equips your body for a vibrant, energetic life. Entering the realm of immune support at number 6, Greek yogurt becomes your immune system's best ally. Picture this: probiotics and nutrients forming a fortified army, standing guard against infections and fortifying your immune response. Greek yogurt steps up as the frontline defender, ensuring that your immune function receives a powerful boost. It's time to arm your body with the natural strength of Greek yogurt and let your immune system thrive. 7. Greek yogurt takes on the role of your blood sugar's new best friend. Picture this: a low glycemic index and a nutrient-packed profile working in harmony to help you maintain steady blood sugar levels. Managing diabetes has never been tastier, thanks to the delicious intervention of Greek yogurt. It's time to savor the goodness while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Get ready for a delightful journey in diabetes management with this creamy ally by your side. Heart health takes the spotlight at number 8, and Greek yogurt steps up to applaud your cardiovascular system. Packed with potassium, this creamy delight plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By embracing Greek yogurt, you're not just indulging in a delicious treat, you're actively reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. It's time to let your heart beat to the rhythm of health, with Greek yogurt as a flavorful and heart-supportive companion. 9. Greek yogurt steps up as the defender against inflammation. Picture this: a formidable army of probiotics and nutrients ready to take on inflammation. Health menace, beware! Greek yogurt becomes your ally in the battle against inflammatory woes. With each spoonful, You're not just savoring a tasty treat, you're arming your body with the natural anti-inflammatory power of Greek yogurt. It's time to enjoy a delicious defense against inflammation and embrace a healthier, happier you. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss a new upload. We share helpful health information and tips to help you live your healthiest life. Cruising into number 10, Greek yogurt emerges as the superhero in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Picture this, armed with potassium. It takes on the role of a mineral crusader, ensuring your blood pressure numbers stay in the optimal range. Your heart is not just beating, it's nodding in approval, grateful for the potassium-powered support from Greek yogurt. Say goodbye to blood pressure worries, and hello to a heart-healthy ally in your diet. It's time to let Greek yogurt be your delicious secret to cardiovascular well-being. Stepping into the gut game at number 11, Greek yogurt takes center stage by providing probiotics for a healthy gut microbiome. Envision your gut as a kingdom, with these probiotics as the wise rulers orchestrating harmony in digestion, immunity, and mood. Greek yogurt becomes the royal feast for your gut, offering a delectable blend of taste and microbiome support. It's time to let your gut thrive and reign supreme with the flavorful assistance of Greek yogurt. Entering the realm of cognitive vitality at number 12, Greek yogurt emerges as the nourisher of brain health. Picture this, a banquet of brain-loving nutrients, with vitamin B12 taking center stage. Your sharp mind finds a lifelong companion in Greek yogurt, ensuring cognitive gears are not just turning, but whirring with efficiency. Say hello to a tasty and brain-boosting ally. It's time to savor the goodness while supporting your cognitive function with every spoonful of Greek yogurt. Elevating the intrigue at number 13, Greek yogurt takes on a potentially protective role against certain cancers. While not a magical shield, its arsenal of probiotics and nutrients presents an extra layer of defense. Consider Greek yogurt your winning health guardian, offering more than just a delightful taste. It's time to embrace the potential health benefits and let Greek yogurt be a flavorful ally in your quest for well-being. Here's to a tasty and potentially protective journey against specific types of cancers. 14. Greek yogurt becomes your satiety superhero, curbing appetite and banishing snack cravings. With its high protein content, it's the ultimate hunger-busting option, ensuring you stay on track by keeping those between-meal munchies at bay. Feel full, satisfied, and empowered on your wellness journey with Greek yogurt as your ally. It's time to embrace the deliciously filling benefits and bid farewell to those pesky snack temptations. Entering the realm of beauty at number 15, Greek yogurt unveils its secret weapon for healthy skin and hair. Picture this, nutrients like zinc and vitamin B5 working their magic as your beauty booster. Greek yogurt becomes the backstage hero, nurturing glowing skin and luscious locks that steal the spotlight. Embrace the delicious path to beauty from within, as every spoonful of Greek yogurt contributes to a radiant and vibrant you. Delving into the realm of diabetes prevention at number 16, Greek yogurt emerges as a formidable ally in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Its blood sugar management prowess takes center stage, acting as a guardian against the potential onset of diabetes. For those mindful of their health, Greek yogurt becomes a delicious and proactive choice, contributing to the regulation of blood sugar levels and standing as a protective shield against the risk of type 2 diabetes. Stepping into the heart-healthy spotlight at number 17, Greek yogurt earns applause for its role in lowering cholesterol levels. Picture your heart giving a standing ovation to Greek yogurt's cholesterol-lowering performance. Regular indulgence becomes a delicious strategy as it contributes to reducing bad LDL cholesterol, paving the way for a healthier cardiovascular profile. It's time to let Greek yogurt take center stage in your diet and celebrate the benefits of a heart-friendly treat. Concluding our list at number 18, Greek yogurt steps into the role of a mood-boosting companion, aiding in stress reduction. Feeling overwhelmed? Say hello to Greek yogurt's probiotics, potentially serving as the link to a calmer, more relaxed version of yourself. Let each spoonful be your daily serenity dose, offering not just a delightful taste, but a potential pathway to supporting a healthy mood and reducing stress. Embrace the soothing goodness of Greek yogurt and let your worries melt away. In conclusion, the myriad benefits of Greek yogurt paint a compelling picture of a versatile and delicious superfood. From muscle-building protein to immune-boosting probiotics, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're aiming for weight management, heart health, or stress reduction, Greek yogurt has your back. So, why not embark on a flavorful journey to well-being? Elevate your health, one spoonful at a time. Incorporate Greek yogurt into your daily routine and savor the creamy goodness that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nurtures your body and mind. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Health Bravo family. Together, we'll explore the incredible world of wellness. Stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, Greek yogurt is your creamy ticket to a transformed life. Cheers to a healthier you.